Hi guys, what is going on and welcome to today's YouTube video. In today's video we are going to discuss a topic that has been going around on Twitter. I also saw two people commenting under my posts. What is happening to Luna? Will it go back to the old prices? So on and so on. So I thought, okay, this is a nice moment to make a video about Luna, about coins like Luna, which basically have no meaning, have no use case, but still you are able to trade them on multiple exchanges and there is a chart that you can trade. And as long as there is a chart, there are always opportunities in my eyes. Will Luna go all the way back towards new all-time highs with an increase of almost 16,000%? I highly doubt it, but obviously in crypto we can never say never. Look at what happened to Pepe, look at what happened to coins like these, but I wouldn't count on it. But if there's price action, if there's volatility, and if there's volume, then there are opportunities. So yesterday we saw a pretty big candle towards the upside of approximately 20%. And in cases like this, when you see some kind of a breakout candle, there are opportunities. Like I said, it doesn't necessarily have to go towards new all-time highs, but who knows? People that might have shorted over here and are waiting for example, 10 cents or 5 cents, prices like that, and they're waiting for their shorts to hit profit. Or maybe people were opening shorts over here and just put their stop over here thinking, okay, I'm going to make some free money because Luna might go to fucking zero. It might never, ever go up here again, right? So they think they're in a safe short position, but maybe the market makers are out for some stops. People that shorted this move and put their stop over here, they got wrecked. People that put their stop over here, they also got wrecked already. Now, people that are using the safe stops above this high, or this high, they are still safe. So, in my opinion, yes, it is possible to get a further squeeze towards the upside, take some more stops. You just never know. And that is something that we can work with, right? Because that means that if price might increase in the future, and if this is a legit sweep of the low right here, in which the daily candle closes perfectly hold it on to that previous low, as you can see, right? So the daily candles couldn't close below the previous low, exactly formed a daily level, high-term level of support, and we got a huge breakout towards the upside of approximately 20%. Now, that huge breakout towards the upside did cause a break of structure over here. So that means that it might be valid for us to start looking for some long positions. So we're just going to do our analysis like we always do. On the 4-hourly time frame, I can already determine that we have an hour for fair value gap over here. More importantly, that we have this sell side liquidity. Okay, so on the 4-hourly time frame, it's not that visible, but on the 1-hourly time frame, you can see that this is definitely our sell side. So what does that mean? Everyone that is longing this pullback towards the downside, where are they going to put their stop loss? They're all going to put their stop loss below this low. So before we are even considering entering a potential long position, I want this low over here to be swept. Why? Because below that low is also where we have an imbalance, and that is very, very important for us to determine our sell side and buy side liquidity. We always want to have an important imbalance below the low or above the high to really call it important sell side or buy side liquidity. And in this case, we have this low, and with below that low, we have this imbalance slash fair value gap over here. Now, I can already see that this is our breaker block, right? This is the supply that brought us this move towards the downside, and it failed horribly with this breakout candle towards the upside. So previous supply failed to hold on, now turns into a breaker block. We can also take a look at the Fibonacci retracement levels if we go from swing low to swing high. And what is very interesting to see is that we have our 0.786 Fib level exactly aligning with our breaker block. And that is something that is very, very nice in my opinion. Also kind of want to take a look at the fixed range volume profile of last week. So starting on Monday all the way towards Sunday night, like this. Okay, so we can see that the point of control also aligns beautifully with that breaker block, with this demand area, and also with that 0.786 Fib level. Let's also take a look at the fixed volume profile just of this range over here. And then we can see that the value area low of this range form also aligns with our breaker block, with our 0.786, and also with our point of control. So let's quickly remove those volume levels because we can at least see that those volume levels are beautifully aligning with our area of interest. And what can we see? We can also see if we quickly remove our other drawings from our chart, that also over here is where we have a daily order block, okay? So over here, daily OB exactly aligning with our area of interest, which is another very, very strong confluence, okay? So especially the body of the daily candle aligns perfectly with our area of interest, and that is beautiful, beautiful confluence. Okay, so we are definitely seeing a lot of confluences lining up. Okay, so let's mark out our levels. So what I would be willing to do is two things. You can either just set your limit order, put your stop not below the first low. Why? Because everyone will put it below the first low. I would also not put it below this low because this is quite a big wick. I would personally put it below this low. Why would I put it below this low? Because in that case, we also have a potential 3-tap pattern that can cover our stop loss. First tap, second tap, where we have this hour 4 level over here with the hour 4 candles, and we also have the daily level, high term level of support. And this might be our third tap before sending it towards the upside. So that can also cover our stop loss potentially. It may even provide an opportunity for a second entry point, okay, over here. That second entry point will have a huge potential RR, and you can just use very little DCA risk over here, and it can still increase your RR massively. Target remains the same. First take out that high, which is an RR of 4 from the first entry and an RR of 17 almost from the second entry. Or the second option that we can do is we just wait for the price to take out this low. We wait for some M15 or hour 1 confirmations to form. I've explained multiple times what I want those confirmations to look like, guys. I want to see some kind of a double sweep or a triple sweep followed by a break of structure with momentum in which we can enter a potential long position on the higher low over here, targeting the high over here, like I said. Okay, so two potential trade scenarios that I'm waiting for, that I'm looking at on Luna. I'm not afraid to take these kind of positions, guys. Like I said, if there are opportunities out there on the chart, trade what you see on the chart, block out the noise, and just trade what you see. Price action and levels always get respected no matter what, also on shitty coins like this. Okay, now if you guys do have any questions after watching this YouTube video, please make sure to let me know in the comments down below or hit me up on Twitter, and make sure to join our free Discord. Please smash up the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday's video. Ciao, ciao.